If you've been struggling to sell your digital products online, constantly posting links, running promotions, and trying to convince people to buy, you're not alone. The internet is filled with millions of creators all competing for attention every single day. Most platforms leave the responsibility entirely on you to find your audience, build trust, drive traffic, and handle marketing from scratch. For many people, especially beginners, that process can become exhausting and discouraging. You may have a great product, but without visibility, your efforts can easily get lost in an overcrowded marketplace. This is where Web2Power changes the experience. Web2Power is a multi-purpose online platform designed to simplify digital operations while creating more opportunities for people to monetize their skills, services, and products. Instead of forcing creators to depend entirely on personal marketing efforts, Web2Power allows products to become part of an existing digital marketplace where users are already searching for solutions, tools, resources, and online services. This creates a better chance for your product to reach targeted audiences who are genuinely interested in what you offer. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of listing and selling your digital product on Web2Power. Whether you are selling ebooks, templates, software, guides, design assets, courses, audio files, AI resources, or any other downloadable product, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Before we begin, it's important to understand how product delivery works on Web2Power because it is slightly different from many traditional marketplaces. Web2Power does not directly host or distribute your downloadable files. Instead, the platform focuses on selling access to your product through a secure marketplace system. This means your actual file or digital resource should already be hosted externally. You can use platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Mega, your own website, cloud storage service, or any platform that provides a publicly accessible link to your product. As long as customers can access the file through the link you provide, you are ready to begin selling. Once your product link is prepared, the next step is creating your product listing on Web2Power. Start by visiting the Web2Power website and logging into your account. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click on Seller Account. From there, select Add Product to begin creating your listing. The first thing you'll need is a product image. Click on Choose File and upload a clear and attractive image that represents your product professionally. A strong product image can significantly improve attention and increase buyer confidence, so it's important to use something visually appealing and relevant to what you are selling. Next, enter the name of your product. Choose a name that clearly explains what the buyer is getting while still sounding attractive and professional. After that, enter a short description. This short description acts as a quick summary and may appear in preview sections or marketplace listings, so it should briefly explain the purpose or value of your product in a concise way. After completing the basic information, move to the Advanced Information section. Here, you'll select categories related to your product. Categories help organize the marketplace and improve discoverability, making it easier for the right audience to find your product when browsing or searching within the platform. Next, you'll enter the full product description. This is where you explain your product in detail. You should clearly describe what the product does, who it is for, what problems it solves, and what buyers should expect after purchase. Web2Power supports Markdown formatting, which makes it easier to structure your content professionally using headings, lists, and spacing. One major advantage is that if you use tools like ChatGPT or other AI assistants to help write your descriptions, you can easily copy and paste properly formatted Markdown content directly into the editor. You'll also see a tags section. Tags help improve search relevance inside the marketplace. Click Add New Item and include keywords related to your product. For example, if you are selling a business ebook, your tags might include business, marketing, startup, online income, or entrepreneurship. Adding relevant tags helps your product become more discoverable to potential buyers. Once that is completed, move to the Delivery Information tab. This is one of the most important sections because this is where you'll paste the direct product URL from your external storage platform. Make sure the link is publicly accessible and properly tested before saving. If the link is broken or restricted, customers may not be able to access your product after purchase. After entering the product link, click Create. At this point, your product information has been successfully created and added to your seller dashboard. However, there is one important thing to understand. Your product still does not have a price attached to it yet. This is because on Web2Power, the product itself mainly acts as informational metadata describing what you are selling. The actual pricing and purchase structure are handled separately through packages. To add pricing and make the product purchasable, you need to create a package linked to the product. To do this, go to the dashboard menu and click on Packages. Once you're on the package index page, click Add Product to create a new package. Start by enabling the package. Then select the product you previously created so the package can be linked correctly. After selecting the product, enter a package name. This could be something simple like Standard Access, Premium Package, Full Bundle, or any name that fits your offer. You can also include a short package description if necessary. This helps explain what makes the package valuable or what buyers will receive. After that, move to the Retailing tab where you'll configure your pricing. Here, you'll enter both the original price and the sales price. This allows you to display discounts or promotional offers more effectively. For example, you can show that a product originally costs more while giving buyers a reduced offer price, which can increase conversion rates and encourage purchases. Next, enter your package features. Features are extremely important because they help buyers quickly understand the benefits of your product. These could include downloadable files, lifetime access, bonuses, templates, guides, updates, support, or anything else included in the package. A strong feature list improves product presentation and increases buyer confidence. At this stage, most of the remaining fields are optional and easy to understand. You can explore them later based on your needs and selling strategy. Once everything looks correct, click Create. And just like that, your package is now connected to your product and ready for customers to purchase. To confirm everything is working properly, return to your dashboard and click on Service in the menu. You should now see your product displayed and available inside the marketplace. The entire process is simple, fast, and designed to help creators start selling without unnecessary complexity. Instead of spending all your time struggling to build traffic from scratch, Web2Power gives your digital products a place inside an active ecosystem where people are already searching for online solutions and valuable resources. If you already have digital products sitting unused on your computer, this is the perfect opportunity to turn them into a real source of income. Start building your presence, reach more targeted audiences, and grow your digital business today with Web2Power. Visit web2power.com and start selling your digital products today.